And we have some breaking news coming in, a clarification on Covaxin this time. The Health Ministry has now clarified on social media posts that have now been doing the rounds regarding the composition of Covaxin. The centre says that facts have been misinterpreted in these posts, and newborn calf serum, the ingredient in question, is only for preparation and growth of the Vero cells and not in the vaccine itself. So there has been some social media posts regarding the composition of Covaxin that have suggested that Covaxin contains a newborn calf serum, which has now been clarified by the Health Ministry on these posts that have been doing rounds regarding the composition of Covaxin. The centre has now stated that the facts have been misinterpreted, and in these posts and the newborn calf serum, the ingredient in question is only used for preparation and growth of the Vero cells and not in the vaccine itself. A clarification now coming in. Let me go across to my colleague Madhurima, who is joining us on the broadcast. Yes, Madhurima, please share more details of this latest update coming in of the Health Ministry now clarifying about Covaxin and the ingredient used.
Well, absolutely, Richard, like you very rightly put, that the composition of the Covaxin was being questioned by multiple posts on the Twitter microblogging site. Now the government is coming forward and explained very clearly that how this particular vaccine and in what proportion the serum is used. Now the serum of the newborn calf is used to only grow the Vero cell. Now following it is used, the ministry has clarified that when it is washed with waters and chemicals, following which it is infected with the corona to see its efficacy, and it is hence the usage entirely diminishes after these usage of water, chemicals and infection with coronavirus. And this is the way this entire this is the way this entire drill goes, and which is why the government has come forward to explain, so that the vaccination program that is undergoing in India, and we know over 26 crore people have already been vaccinated, should not suffer because of some myths. The government has come forward and said that the entire information is being mistreated, is being misused, and it has also said that serum from bovines are used in multiple vaccines like influenza, polio, and it is used in primary stage to make the Vero cells. It is not used in the preparation of the vaccine. There is a vast difference in the two aspects, and this is why the government of India is coming forward and giving a clear explanation to avoid any misinformation in this entire vaccination process. Back to you.
All right, Madhurima, thank you so much for getting us that update. So the Health Ministry now giving out a clarification on certain posts that were doing rounds on social media platforms and giving out a detailed clarification about the same.